Hi friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show how to crack one SQL letter question. The question is here: how to get number of E's in the word entrepreneur. So how to resolve in MySQL. So to get number of E's from the word, you can use the two string functions. One is length and second one is replace. So first I will show the example with the other word. Later I will pick the entrepreneur. So I want to show example on this word. So this is the word is here error. So I want to get number of R's in the error. We know there are three R's. First I will show how to get the three by using length and replace function. First I am taking length. I am using word is error. ERR word. This will give the length of your word error. Later I want to replace the R with empty space. Select replace error. Replace take three parameters error, comma, second parameter substring. So here I want to replace the substring R with empty space. So if you execute this one, you can get just evo. So replace will remove all R's with empty space. So now I want to find out the length of after replacing the R. What is the length after replacing the R? Only 2. Here 2. In final step, I am taking first I am taking the length of the original word, length of error, I am subtracting the length after replacing the R with empty space. Okay, 3. See here. We know there are 3 R's are there. You can get the count of R's like this. I applying the same logic by using the for getting the number of E's from entrepreneur, but you got the error. See here, you got the, you should not get the desired output. We know there are 1, 2, 3, 4 E's are there in the entrepreneur. So first I'm clearing my system. So first I'm taking select length of this entrepreneur word. So what is the length here? 12. The second step is I want to replace this entrepreneur E with empty space. Entrepreneur. Here my substring is E. So I am replacing with just empty space. If you execute this one, you will see even capital E also there even after removing them. So if you get the length of this replacing string, you should get 9. So if you subtract original string length of entrepreneur, you got 3. But originally there are 4 E's are there. See here, 4 E's are there. If you want to count the even capital E also, you should modify your query. If you want to count the capital E also, you should modify the query. So here I am modifying the query upper see you got the 4 E's now. So originally what happened, if we replace just small e, it will replace all small e's, and to get only display how many small e's are there in the entrepreneur. We know there are uppercase e also there, whether it is uppercase or smaller case. E is there. I want to replace all e's. I want to know the count of that e. So to get the uppercase of e also, you need to modify the query like this. Length after replacing by using upper enterprise entrepreneur, and take this uppercase e, so that it will count both upper capital letter e and as well as small letters also. So if you do not use the uppercase, if you mention just smaller case e function, so it will take 0. So if you want to get all e's including uppercase and case of e's, you should maintain e with upper function. So this is how you need to get the count of your words by using length, replace and upper functions. So only difference is whenever a word starting with any letter, you want to if you want to replace that letter also, you have to apply the logic by using upper function as well in the along with length and replace. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.